So we should rename one of these to instead of D, put don't remember. Because there are some I probably don't remember. Okay. Here we go. The meme tier list. So the one with Morgan Freeman, like I can't even read that one. So, but we're gonna put it in S tier. Alley-A's S, Aliens S, Angry yes. I don't remember that one. The guy in Area 51. I don't remember that one. I can't even read it. Okay, the Arthur Fist. This one's interesting because I remember I looked at that meme and I was like, there's no way Arthur punched anyone. And not a meme. Yeah, Grogu's not a meme. Okay, the alien one. That one's the cat. S.
Oh, Reese's baked beans.
Be gone. I don't.
Dude,
I kind of remember.
She's just a whore, not a meme.
Ben Shapiro S tier.
S tier.
Wide Low S tier. Big Chungus S tier.
Chungus. I can't remember that one.
Yeah.
This guy,
S tier.
I know I've seen that one so many times. I remember it being funny. I'll just put S tier.
The Blinking one is S tier. The Lord of the Rings guy is S tier. I don't even know if that one's a meme. The Brain one, yeah, that's S tier.
Bro number 2.
Yeah.
Car Salesman.
That one's amazing. Tim Allen.
That's Chuck Norris.
That's Chuck Norris.
This guy, S tier.
The basketball player. The Math Equations girl, S
tier.
I don't remember that one.
Oh, that's S2. I've seen that movie. That's from The Room.
Oh, okay.
I think, right? It looks like...
I don't remember.
Well, maybe it's not. I don't know. But I remember it. I recognize it from somewhere. S2. Crab with the dance.
Oh, yeah. That's S tier.
Cybertruck.
Cybertruck is S tier.
S tier.
I don't remember
that one.
Dude, the dab, yeah, that was...
Dancing Alien.
Pikachu.
There you go. Despacito. Remember Despacito?
Yeah, I remember Despacito. That's a classic one. Doge.
Doggo Doge.
Skeleton.
Yeah.
Doubt.
Oops. Doubt.
Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil.
Okay, I don't remember. EA, that's an S.
Pretty big meme.
For like 20 seconds.
You've heard of Shelf on the Elf? Now get ready for Groku on the Roku.
Okay. Elon Musk. The Epic Sax guy.
Epic Sax guy.
The Arnold Arm.
E.
The SWAT team one. Honestly, that one's top the S tier for me.
Top of S.
That one's so funny. I want to die.
Filthy Frank.
Oh! Oh!
Phil Swift.
That's a lot of damage!
It's getting so full.
Fortnite. Okay, change B to, like, irrelevant. Not funny.
Free real estate.
It's free real estate.
It's free real estate.
I don't remember
that one.
The GameCube, the Gundam style.
Oh my gosh. Do you remember this one?
Not as well. Gordon Ramsay. That one I don't remember.
I kind of remember. I remember the dude's face, but I can't remember. Halo. Is that the movie or just?
No, it's the song. Like the
dude, yes, dear. Right. Harambe.
I think so.
Yeah.
Filthy Frank.
Filthy Frank again.
The guy on the phone. Kermit. Oh shit! Here we go again.
This guy was.
This guy's too. S tier.
Oh,
that's the guy. Yeah,
that was a girl though.
Oh really?
Like everyone thought it was a guy, but it was actually a girl.
Oh, but like that was like the I Am Speed. Yeah, that's a S.
I Am Speed. Oh,
iDubbbz. The Illuminati. Improvise Attacks Over Cup. That's a good one.
One's good. It's a trap.
It's a trap.
Funny Jerry. Oh, no one cares about that.
John Cena. Joins the battle.
Oh yeah.
That one I don't remember because it's anime. You wouldn't get it from the Joker. Just do it.
Do it.
Kazoo Kid. Keanu, Kermit, Kowalski,
Let Me In,
Logan Paul,
a dead guy, Fat Cat.
I don't remember that one. I don't remember that one. Remember that song?
The guys.
Ah!
Me and the
Boys.
MLG.
The Moth.
Moto.
Nickelback. Nice. No You.
Oh, those guys are funny too.
From the Willy Wonka or something?
No, that's from an old show from early 2000s.
Oh, yeah, the We Are Number One.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Running out of space, okay. Toaster Cat. Okay, Boomer.
I don't remember that one.
Peanut Butter Jelly Time?
No.
Yeah, it's not funny.
Okay, that's an ST. Look at this
dude. S-tier on this. Pickle Rick.
Pikachu.
Flint Lockwood. I don't remember that one. Oh, this lady was so annoying, but it was a fun
Yeah.
The faces.
Yeah. The coffin.
Press F to pay respects.
Milo's. Rick Astley. There we go. Okay, that one's actually pretty good. Sonic. Sands. The choking one. Boy, yeah. Shaggy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's the. Oh,
Shooting Star.
The Shooting Star. Shrek.
She's
the girl.
Simpson.
Oh my gosh, that Sonic was so bad.
Poor people.
Spider-Man. Sonic.
SpongeBob.
Is that LeBron? We're gonna. Oh, this one.
Stonks. Oh my gosh.
Surprise, motherfucker.
S tier. Oh, Grape Surgery.
Oh my gosh, dude! That popped off so hard.
Grape Surgery? Remember Grape Surgery?
I remember I walked into school and I hear Eric say, "Hey, did you hear they did surgery on a grape?" And one time what I did was I took Josiah's little pocket knife and I actually did surgery on one of my grapes for lunch. Michael Scott. Childish Gambino. This is America.
Oh yeah, This Is Fine. The dog.
Thomas the Train. Thug Life. That's classic.
Tide.
To be continued. Dude, that Tom
meme.
I don't remember. But I have seen it.
The troll guy. I can't remember this.
I don't remember that one. Tyler 1. Ugandan Knuckles. Your mom gay.
Ooh.
That.
I do remember. Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah. Wasted.
What?
Pokemon.
Chris the Pokemon.
Oh, Will Smith going. It's rewind time. Oh, that one's good. That one's very nice. Willy Wonka.
This guy.
Yeet.
Essence.
The Walmart Kid. Why though?
All right.
Most of them are S. Oh my god.
All right, that's the tier list. Thank you so much for watching, and if you agree, then leave a like down below and subscribe. Look at Graph. Think about Graph.
Unlike the OnlyFans page, it's actually free, so subscribe.
Yes. Subscribing is free. Literally no cost to subscribe. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and hope to see you guys in the next one.